How will assets be exchanged in the OTN network? Let's say you want to exchange Bitcoins for Ethers, two cryptocurrencies that use different blockchain networks. First, you need to send the tokenizer a request to perform this operation. A tokenizer is a set of smart contracts in the OTN network that creates tokens for assets so that they can be exchanged easily. It sends you the address that you should transfer the Bitcoins to. This is the address of one of many depositories, selected by an algorithm that gives equal chances to all interested depositories. A depository is a participant in the OTN network that performs external calculations with users' real assets and receives a commission. You transfer your Bitcoins to the depository's address. A special OTN X node sees the transaction in the blockchain and tells the tokenizer to emit an OTN BTC token and send it to you for the same amount as the number of Bitcoins that you sent. The tokenizer reserves an extra amount of the depository's OTN coins in order to secure your Bitcoins. You hold on to the asset token during the exchange, so you don't need to worry about losing your real assets. Even if something does happen, the OTN network will refund you with the amount of OTN coins equivalent to your loss, plus additional compensation for the inconvenience. Then you exchange your tokenized Bitcoins for tokenized Ethers on the OTN exchange. Now you have the right to receive Ethers in the Ethereum network. To do this, you send the tokenizer your OTN ETH token and the address of your Ethereum wallet. The tokenizer finds a depository in this network and tells it to send the necessary amount of Ethers to your address. In turn, the OTN X node confirms the transaction and destroys the OTN ETH token. In practice, the entire exchange occurs quickly, in just a few clicks. Join the open trading network of the future.